Hi students, welcome to the class again. How many of you enjoy the activity of drawing? Today our amazing assignment is all about to draw. We will take the fun of it and learn a new thing here. So welcome to Narayana's amazing assignments for grade 5. Today our topic is from plant reproduction and agriculture from Sadhana workbook at page number 7. What is our assignment here? What is our task here? Our task is to draw the different stages of germination of seed and label the stages. We are going to draw the stages of germination. It is a fun filled activity. We are going to have a fun here, as well as we are going to learn a new thing, how a plant grows from seed to a plant. Shall we start? Yes. Firstly, what we do, we take a seed, we will take a seed and sow in the soil. This is how we get we'll have a seed here, a bean seed we take, sow in the soil and we water it regularly. What happens? We get the seeds start growing. This is the second stage of the seed. A small hair-like structure will come out. You might have seen some seeds soaked in water. After next day, we see a small hair-like structure grown out of it. Slowly, the seeds start growing. Okay, so the seed start growing and it shoots out of the soil at one stage. Slowly, little hair-like structures, we call them as roots, are grown. The roots are grown here. In all along, how the seed is receiving the food? Seed is receiving the food or air from the outer covering of it. We call it as seed coat. Seed coat not only protects the baby plant present in it, it also protects, it also provides the required food, that is water or air or nutrients from the soil is given to the seed. Slowly the seed grows and comes out. And seed is also having cotyledons. Cotyledons provide food to the baby plant. The baby plant is also called as embryo. Slowly the cotyledon breaks out, okay, and plant starts growing out of the soil. Okay, so when a plant grows out, we call it as a sapling or a baby plant. Generally we can call it as a sapling. So this is the root part. Now we are going to draw the leaf, baby leaves. Slowly the plant grows out of the soil and cotyledons come out or fall down. Lastly, we will have a beautiful plant here. This is the root part which grows under the soil. What it will do? It will collect the water and holds the soil and also collects the required minerals from the soil to the plants. Okay, the plant receives the required water and minerals and stands upright in the soil because of the roots. So here it comes the shoot part. shoot part contains the leaves, the shoot part contains the leaves, flowers and fruits. This is the shoot part which grows above the soil. This is the root part which grows below the soil. Okay. These are the seed. Seed will have a hair-like structure. We call it as radicle. And this is the cotyledon. This is the cotyledon. Cotyledon provides the required amount of food to the baby plant. This is how the plant will grow from seed to a fully grown plant. The whole process is called as, seed germination. You can draw the soil here. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Happily you can color it also. Thank you. I'll meet you again.